This article is being read by an automated voice. Chapter 3.8 North American Market Data Industrial Sites Using Natural Refrigerants. Transcritical CO2. The Market Today. As of December 2024, there were 870 industrial sites using transcritical CO2 in North America. 17% of the total of 4,970 transcritical CO2 sites. The 870 industrial sites, which represents a 74% increase from the 498 North American sites in 2023, consists of 380 in the US, which is up from 208 in 2023, and 490 in Canada, which is up from 290 in 2023. Behind the numbers, Mathieu Cardinal, CEO of Canadian refrigeration systems manufacturer Ref+, said during the 2024 IIAR conference that demand for the industrial CO2 racks is booming in the US. Frederick Houle, sales director at Evapco LMP, a Canadian subsidiary of the US-based manufacturer Evapco, said in a September 2024 interview that the company is seeing a big trend in demand for industrial CO2 refrigeration systems in North America. Industrial CO2 condensing units are also growing in availability. Hussmann's recently launched 4 HP CO2 condensing unit supports warehouse unit cooler applications, and the company plans to bring a 10 HP unit to market in 2025 to accommodate larger warehouses. At the 2024 RETA conference, Ref+ said it had installed its first industrial CO2 condensing unit at a facility in Quebec. U.S. manufacturer Copeland launched the production of its Vilter-branded industrial CO2 compressor unit, which uses single-screw compressors for transcritical applications, subcritical applications, or both, in April 2024. The large-capacity CO2 compressors reduce the complexity of industrial refrigeration operations by reducing the number of components required for larger systems, the manufacturer says. Low-charge ammonia, the market today. As of December 2024, Atmosphere estimates there were 1,230 industrial sites using low charge below 1.3 kilogram per kilowatt or 10.1 pounds per ton of refrigeration ammonia systems in North America, an increase of 17% over the number a year ago. There were 152 packaged units and 1,078 central systems. The 1,230 industrial sites equate to 842 sites, 717 with central and 125 with packaged systems in the US and 388, 361 central and 27 packaged in Canada. As of December 2023, there were 1,045 industrial sites with installations of low-charge ammonia systems in North America, including 110 with packaged units and 935 with central systems. In the US, there were 715 industrial sites, 627 with central and 88 with packaged systems, and in Canada there were 330, 308 central, and 22 packaged. Behind the numbers, the year-over-year growth rate for packaged units was 38% compared to 15% for central systems. The growth of packaged units is reflected in the growth of Evapco, a leading manufacturer of low-charge ammonia systems. The company announced in February 2024 that it was expanding its Maryland headquarters by 45,000 feet squared, 4,180 meters squared, and making 275 new hires. Evapco also announced a new product in 2024, an evaporator for its low-charge ammonia packaged refrigeration units that uses an ejector to raise the capacity and efficiency of a direct expansion, or DX, evaporator almost to the level of a pumped liquid recirculation unit while offering the low charge and stable operation of a DX system. American manufacturer Frick Industrial Refrigeration, a subsidiary of Johnson Controls, released a packaged heat pump, SmartPack, that piggybacks on an ammonia refrigeration system to provide up to 190 degrees Fahrenheit, 87.8 degrees Celsius, hot water. SmartPack is designed to replace boilers, typically used for heating water for industrial cleaning processes, by using the saturated ammonia leaving the refrigeration system's condensers as a refrigerant and heat source.